Right, guys, we're in Ukraine. We're trying to make a Russian. Oh, I should not say that before the Russian military comes after me. But yes, we are in Ukraine, and all jokes aside,
What's up, bros?
we're in New York City. The day that no one wants to go outside because of the snow, but we're breathing. So guys, we're posted out here in Ukraine. We got our big boy right here, Alfredo, carrying an AR-15.
Yo, my hands are getting cold. No, easy now. Yeah, don't put them on the low. Stacked up. Hey, New York, 2022, baby. Oh, damn, my phone.
Ukraine. We're in Ukraine.
Yeah, no count. Where the oldest?
Well, we have more guns. Like we have like 10 magazines. Ready? I think we're ready.
Them in there. If you want to put your scarf on, put the coat up, hoodie up, and then put the scarf on.
It's locked. It's locked. What should we do?
Take it open.
Huh?
Ah. Yeah, no, you can just turn it.
So we just fight here?
You can go through there?
It's locked.
Oh, you probably go into the other side.
Well, I got closer to them. Something happened with my phone. So I have to drop it. Let's drop it. Look. Can you see them? Over there. Here we see. This is such a bad idea. Ow. My gun jammed, I think. Hold it. Refund. Oh. No! This is a family-friendly channel. Come on now.
You're doing it in a weird position.
The camera wants to follow me. Oh my gosh. Can't get that. Some snow. This is News 12. Please stay at home. Guys.
Stay at home.
Hey guys, And I know it has been very different to see me, and you guys haven't expected me to post a video because I haven't posted in such a long time, and I expect that. But I have to be transparent and just tell you guys what has been going on, because I feel like you guys deserve to know. And you know, I just took a break from YouTube because I felt like it was something that I needed. It was just not something that I prioritized, and it's not something that's really important to me. And you know, so I just do this for fun, so it just doesn't get boring, like, oh, I'm doing the same thing again and again and again. So this is the clip that I'm showing you, because this was supposed to be like, you know, the big blah blah blah, but obviously with the weather it has not been something that's been so great. So I just want to be talking about my experience with nerfing in the snow, and my equipment, and what I chose to run and what I didn't choose to run. So right here, this is a bad boy. This is a beast. I bought 2 different magazines because it originally comes with this one, which I put this and this, so I just had to buy 2 more. And then this magazine came with this gun right here, which looks like an AUG. So cool. I absolutely love this. And because it was snowing a lot, snow, electronics, I don't think they go too well. So I chose not to take it because I just didn't want to break it so bad, like, because how good it is and how, just look at it, it's just so beautiful. So yeah, and we are planning to do this again. We were planning to touch this topic again and just execute it very well. Next time we do this, it's gonna be very well, and we're gonna have multiple people helping us record each person. It's gonna look really good. We also filmed some additional clips where you guys are gonna see towards the end of this video, which, if you guys want to see it, so cool. So please stick around and continue watching. Check my Instagram. There's probably gonna be some pictures there, and just to show how cool it was, because it was really cool. And you know, because we like to imitate this stuff, it just seems so cool. You know, hopefully in the future I could, like, you know, join the FBI or maybe do something like this. And yeah, this was just so fun. If you guys enjoyed this video, please, 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 I mean, look at how cold it was. Hit like, and just comment about how was your experience with the snow. If you guys enjoyed it, what did you guys do? I want to know, and please tell me. This has been your boy Little AK, and I'm out. Look, we have a drunk man trying to fiddle with the art.